Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to cancel a flight on Air Arabia. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in airarabia.com. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and cancel a flight on Air Arabia. So when you're here on airarabia.com, as you can see, what you need to do is go to the top side of the screen where we have plan, manage, check-in, destinations, and help. You need to go and click on plan. You need to go and click on the manage where you have, as you can see, modify and cancel, and we have the cancel flights, which you need to click on. So if you wish to cancel a flight, you can choose to receive the refundable amounts as a travel credit or future use or a refund to your original payment method. So that's what you can do also. So I don't have a flight, so I cannot show you how to cancel it, but you can go and put in your booking reference or PNR here, contact person last name, and put in the departure date here. Click continue, find a flight, and you can of course cancel it and maybe get a refund if you're eligible for that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, as always, bye guys.